This is the SnapGrip from ShiftCam and does a lot of really great things. For one, it sits like this so you can feel that old DSLR kind of shooting method, and you have the shutter button here, which is a Bluetooth connection to your phone to start and stop recording or take photos. And it also has a built-in battery, so it will charge your phone at the same time, which is pretty cool, pretty handy. But also, my favorite feature about this, besides it being MagSafe, but if you notice, if you're holding your phone like this, right, you can be a little bit more shaky with it, right? Because your hands are a little bit shaky. But if you put this thing on here, and this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this fits perfectly on here. But now when you're holding it, look at how steady that is, because you're not holding it in a weird way where it can jiggle around. You're holding it right. This is good. This is a good thing. So great product, highly recommended, and thanks for watching.